Hello and welcome to a new video about programming Arduinos. This time we are talking about a piece of hardware, we're talking about a push button. You should have one in your Arduino starter kit. This is the push button. This little tiny thing. You see it has four legs, four connectors. They are bent a little bit outwards. So if we place it like that, oopsie. Come here. If you place it like that, so the bands are now to up and down for you. Then this is one side and this is the other side. Each side is connected to each other. Okay, and here I have a push button. If I press the push button, I connect the left to the right side. Okay, every time I press, this side is connected to this side. Okay. So actually what it looks like is like that. We do have here two connectors. They are always connected to each other, and in between we have the push button. Okay? That's actually it. We can try this. We can place the push button on our breadboard. I would advise to do this over this little gap, because then actually it looks nice. That is the only reason. We will again use a LED. This time I'm going to use a yellow one. So here the long leg I will put to 30. Number does not really matter. I will connect this here to the push button. And of course we again have some current limiting stuff. So we again need a resistor. I will place the resistor between the anode of the cathode of the LED and minus. Then here I will connect the push button to plus. Okay, and I will simply connect plus and minus. I will simply take them from the Arduino ground to minus and 5 volt to plus. Now I should be able to show you the function of the button. Well, I will plug in the Arduino. Let's see, if I push the button, light. If I release the button, no light. Okay? So this is the function of this button. This button simply connects one side to the other side every time I push this button. And this is how we are going to read in something. So we are not connecting directly to LED, we're connecting to in an output pin. But this will then be in next video. We write a little software which is processing this button.